Day 2 of the workshop, LMGE. We are expecting the sessions to continue for topic 3, 4, 5 today, and then we will split after lunch in groups to work on the assignments for the students. We will have also closure session of day 2 until we reconvene again tomorrow for the final day 3.
Today is day 2. Yesterday it was a good chance to meet with our classmates and do some activities together as teams.
Absolutely fascinating, what to say. The team was very competitive. The tutor was clear, and first and second and third lecture was just smoothly gone in less than 3 hours. And the assignment was challenging. I'm looking forward to present the findings.
Today is day 2. I'm looking forward to see what will happen. Yesterday was great. I met all the people here, and it was a very nice day.
I thought day 1 was an excellent experience. It was great to see Manchester putting on such a good performance in terms of the hybrid of having a virtual experience, and also those that are able to come to the actual centre. I thought that was very good, well structured and laid out. I think the group work element is interesting, to say the least. It's great to know all the different cultures that come here, and to form kind of everyone's different backgrounds in terms of their industries, and put everything into one page. So hopefully the presentation tomorrow goes well.
Day 1 was good, quite informative, and me and my team were able to prepare a couple of slides for our assignment. We are hoping our day 2 and day 3 go as smooth as day 1.
It was good. It was a little bit overwhelming to start with, but I think as the lecturer, Professor Nick, did a great job in making everything quite clearer. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit more relaxed today, and I think the group work will commence seriously today, and we'll crack on. That's it.
This is day 2. Yesterday was very useful information.
Day 1 was good. Day 2 today, so ready to go.
That was day 1.
It was excellent, perfect.
So day 1 passed fantastic. It's very good to meet people. We are all doing the social distancing, and we are taking care of ourselves. I would really encourage you guys to invest in learning and invest in education. It's amazing to be here.